What's going on, my Master Moto people? Today we got a new project. 95 F-150. It's got a 6-banger and an inline, 300, 95,000 miles. We're gonna get this thing tuned up. You know I don't like the green. Got some body work already going. She's pretty clean. Already took the doors off, got them realigned. Holster's not too bad. I'll get the seat done. This thing is equipped with propane. Got these doors realigned. You see this? Just about perfect. Here's a 6-banger. Here's the propane unit. This is where the propane comes in at. As you can see, it blocks a lot of airflow coming through, so I took it out. Running double barrel carbs. Put new plugs in. I got new distributor cap, new wires coming. It's got the EDI, I believe, headers or manifolds. Headers need to be cleaned up. They're not bad. Get rid of that manifold. It's kind of cool. This vehicle was equipped. This vehicle was powered by natural gas. Let's see if you can read that. By the Navy in 1997, when it had 3,121 miles. Again, it's 1995. It's got the 300. Comment down below what color should be painted. Got all new front rubbers. I hear this girl with a loud mouth. So this is it. I already got working on it. I'm just gonna sand this down now. Already got all this all good to go. Stay tuned. Comment down below what color should be painted. Truck's got a 2-inch body lift on it. I'm gonna put a 4-inch BDS suspension lift. I got a sandblaster. So I'm gonna sandblast the bottom. What's up, big guy? This is it right here. Comment down below again what color should be painted. What kind of wheels. Should we keep the propane tank